60 miles an hour in our Scout. Just got a little bit of play in the steering wheel, as you can see. Motor has lower compression, about 60 pounds, so we put some stuff that kind of supposed to free the springs, the rings up, trying to see if we get a little more compression. Goes down the road okay, just you know, idle's a little rough, and yeah, so just being 100% disclosure that's you may need a new motor work. But drivable the way it is, so if you just want a cheap driver for a Scout, this kind of will fill the bill. Transmission shifts good. Gas gauge does not work. Temp gauge is coming up over there. I don't know if you can see it. 605, 69.